Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add video in CapCut PC and how you can remove the video background. Alright, so you can click import after you open the CapCut apps, CapCut PC app. Click import to import your videos, photos or audios you want to edit. So to import video, select your video you want to edit and then just click open and add to track, just drag, or you can click on the add icon. So how you can remove the background, you are just going to click on the clip. You can select video, cut out, select cut out, and here you can select for the chroma key or auto cutout. So there are two options here. So for this video, I'm going to select auto cutout. Alright, so this so simple. The background has been removed. You can add another background to your video. Alright, this again. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.